Aayusin ni Fantastic Man ngayon ang kanyang electric guitar amplifier. Hindi ako makatugtog miski sa drums kasi may tunog siya. Oh. Yan. Pag-aaralan ni Fantastic Man, titignan natin kung may power si Electric Man sa pag-repair ng ng amplifier pang electric guitar. Okay. Hirap na isang kamay. Sungkitin natin to. Okay, nasungkit na natin. Yan ang laman niya. Okay, so mali. Hindi tayo dapat dyan. Dito tayo dapat makapagbukas. Paano yan? Buksan. Kailangan makita natin ang tornilyo niyan. So, syempre kung dito yon, malamang pagtanggal natin ito 4 na tornilyo, ipupull natin tong baka dyan yung board, transformer, whatever. So, natanggal ko ng mga screw just as I've suspected. Yan, tutulak lang natin yan. Dapat lumabas na yan. Yan, okay. Ayun may transformer Yan, okay. Okay, dahan-dahan. May wiring doon. Teka, 2 kamay to. Okay. Mukhang gumagana na. Testingan natin ang electric guitar. Ito. Ito na. Wala nang ugong patay sara. Yes. Testingin na natin tong amplifier kung gumagana tong electric guitar. Especially for you, I wanna let you know what I was going through. All the time we were apart, I thought of you. You were in my heart. Love never changed. I still feel the same. Especially for you. Inside of you, and now we're back together. Okay, ayos na to. Kabit na natin.